The Dreo Table Air Circulator Fan is an exceptional addition to any home, offering a sleek design in a classic dark black color that seamlessly blends into any room decor. With dimensions of 9D into 11W into 12H, this fan is compact yet powerful, making it suitable for various room types, including the kitchen, living room, bedroom, indoor spaces, and dining room. One of the standout features of the Dreo fan is its adjustable tilt, allowing users to direct airflow precisely where needed for optimal ventilation, cooling, or air circulation. The fan operates quietly at a noise level of only 28 dB, ensuring a peaceful environment while effectively circulating air throughout the room. Whether you need to cool down a space, improve air circulation, or facilitate drying, the Dreo Table Air Circulator Fan is a reliable choice that combines functionality with style. Overall, this fan offers a blend of performance and aesthetics, making it a must-have for any household seeking a versatile,